Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. Reviews like this motivate us to keep working hard for all of our customers. We pride ourselves in providing the best possible customer service now and in the future. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.